All right, Josh. I have this drag and drop math that I want you to use Tuesday and Wednesday during encore time instead of meeting with me in group. So I'm going to click on play and then I'm going to click on subtraction. So I want you to practice our subtraction regrouping that you were getting. We're just going to say we want to do 5 problems. So you need to pay attention because this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on 5. And then I want you to do, why don't you start with 2-digit minus 2-digit. So that's what it should look like when you're on here. So then you're going to go ahead and just do your subtraction here. So you're going to click. And you're going to drag the numbers over. You can also click this up here to give you that grid paper. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 tens minus 7 10 is 110. So my answer is 12. So I click over here and say 12. Okay. Then I'm going to go to my next problem. Now this one, it tells me that I have to take 6 minus 9. I can't take 9 away from 6, so I have to go over. I have to regroup. Okay, I'm going to shift one of these over, which means I'm going to have 16. And if I did have 8 tens, then I would have 7 tens. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 tens minus 1 10 is 6 tens. So my answer is 67. Okay, I'm going to do one more here. This one, I can take 6 minus 5. So I don't have to regroup. So I've got a 1 there. I've got a 4 there. So I just type in my 41. See if we can get one more with regrouping here. Okay, this one, I cannot take 6 away from 3. So I need to go over and I need to regroup. So I don't have 9 tens anymore because I'm shifting a 10 over, which means I'm going to have 13 ones, and I'm left with 8 tens. 13 minus 6 is 7. 8 tens minus 1 10 is 7 tens. So my result is 77. And I'm going to say OK. Okay. If you make a mistake, you have an undo button down here and you have a reset button down here. Okay, I'd really like you to try this. If you get stuck, I want you to go ahead and use scratch paper, your math notebook, and draw out the numbers like we have been with base 10 blocks. You can use a stick for 1 or tens and dots for ones. So let me show you what that would look like here. What I would do is if I'm going to do like 87 minus 58, sorry, this isn't very good. I can draw out, okay, here's 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 7 ones. Okay, I don't have enough ones to take that away, so I'm going to cross this off. And then I know I add 10 more ones. Okay, then I can take away my 8, so I can go ahead and cross this off. You just have to be careful when you do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I know what happened there is I took a 10, I shifted it over. So then I had 17 minus 8 gives me 9. 7 tens minus 5 tens gives me 2. So this is what I mean when I say if you need to, you can draw it in your notebook. Okay?